Welcome back to the melting and busy Poniente beach in Benidorm town. We are right in the middle of the Poniente beach. This place just a few years ago was known to be not as busy as the Levante beach. Tourists enjoyed it, but it wasn't something out of the ordinary. However, right now things have changed quite a lot. With this area being pedestrian priority right now, this, together with the incredible restaurants, bars and cafeterias, converted itself into a gorgeous beach where many tourists are coming to relax and escape the overcrowded Levante beach. Just look at this glory. This is a huge 2.2 kilometers Poniente beach. As for right now, you can see that only the front line is occupied. It is so long that all this area has plenty of space for people to play games, sports games, to just have a lovely walk by the beach and enjoy it. And there's plenty of seating area for everyone out here. All the water sports are also available. There's jet skis, there's different types of excursions, the paddle ski, the boats. There's free of charge platform as well right there that you can use if you're a good swimmer to enjoy a little bit. And there's a lifeguard right there watching just in case to make sure everything is safe. From here, plenty of people are heading to the beach right now. And since it is so big, there's areas that are slightly more occupied than the others. For example, here, right by the water park, actually it's situated really close to the seashore, which is strange. Normally it is slightly further along in the sea, at least that's how it was last year. But this year it is way closer. Probably you will not even reach the bottom of the sea, even if you try, if you'll go there. And honestly, it doesn't look busy at all. And that is because the prices are really expensive. It costs you more than 20 euros to actually get on this for one entire hour. So for all those who were visiting it once it opened up, which was a few years ago, like 3 years ago, as we did, it was great. It was cheaper. Now it is getting expensive, which is why it is empty. There's literally no one there. And I do feel like they rising the prices slightly too much for this water park. Don't get me wrong, it is great, but it is too expensive. And boy, it is close to all the people. Look at that. It is really close, isn't it? Last time it was way inside. That's interesting. No one, just the workers out there. Don't blame them. It is too expensive. Nearby, we'll show it to you right now. There's plenty of businesses. There's pharmacies, by the way. It shows you the time and the humidity and the actual temperatures. It is 62% humidity right now, which is not the best, honestly. Could be slightly less, but it is what it is, doesn't it? Restaurants are starting to open up just now. And as you can see, only the cars that are from like professionals here, from the workers, those who bring some food, or people who live here and need to park their car, only those are allowed, which is an absolute glory. Oh hey, I thought there's not going to be any people in, but I guess they've just opened up. Look at this. There's quite a few people waiting out there in line to ask for pricing and get all the information. And it is slightly different than last year. It's built differently, I think. Maybe even slightly bigger, or is it more or less the same? Right in front of us, I see insanely busy beach. Insanely busy. All the nearby bars. Oh, there's a radar here as well. Look at that. All the nearby bars with different types of yogurts, ice cream, restaurants for combined meals and paellas, pizzas. These are like typical restaurants that serve international food and Mediterranean food, like a mix of everything. Apartments for a short-term rent, Benidorm beach, right there in the middle. all this giant building. There's plenty of apartments here who rent it out for a short term. And there's more and more people each time who are actually booking these apartments here because it is quieter, it is nicer, it's just not as overcrowded as the Levante beach side is, even though the beach does look quite busy. And right now you will be shocked at how the other side is looking like, closer to the old town, because it has nothing to do with what we've seen just right now, where we have plenty of space to do whatever we want on the beach. But the other side, closer to the Dove Park, absolutely insane. Alehop, the giant cow shop. In this case, the cow is not on the bottom. There is one as well, but the other one is on the top of the roof. This is a nice place to grab some souvenirs. There's plenty of things like cutesy little things and squishy things and fluffy things. People who love these type of souvenirs with something cute to buy, this might be a good place for you. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. I've never seen it like this. People look like ants, like little ants, you know, everywhere. That is bizarre. We'll get slightly closer now, don't worry. Nearby, all the cafeterias. Poniente Beach beer place and cocktail place, very good for some drinks, some cold sangria for some meals too. Typical shops for compliments, for souvenirs, for sunglasses and plenty more things. Snack bars, 24-hour supermarkets, ice cream shops, slushies, smoothies. That's typically what you're able to purchase in these types of shops out here. An ambulance, always the case. It's always here in the area because it is, I mean, it's very hot outside, and as you can see, people know it. We're still in the heat wave, by the way, surprise, surprise, and it's already Thursday, and we are still in it, even though a lot of areas already are dropping in temperatures. We do not, which is why people are striving to save themselves the way that they can the best, which is go to the beach. And the Poniente Beach is still better, whatever many people can say, but it is better. Why? Because it is calmer, it is quieter. There are people in some specific points like these ones. Look at that. Wow. However, there's plenty of other spaces that are not as busy, slightly further along. Plus, there is no stones in the water, and it's not deep at all. Incredible place, slightly more fresh air. We love it. Poniente Beach is our favorite. Nearby, there's plenty of ice cream places, there's restaurants, pizzerias, kebab places, there's supermarkets, local ones, and hotels. Like the Hotel Villa Del Mar, for example, right there in front. Villa Del Mar right here, popular amongst mostly adults. They do accept children, if I'm not wrong. However, honestly, there's not much to do for kids, and there's plenty of other hotels that are better in this case, because they do have a children's playgrounds, like water park inside of the hotel, or at least some splash area, which is way better for you guys and for families who do have kids. In front, we have the famous tuna of Benidorm. This is a sculpture that's been given to Benidorm for some time, the same as the swans, the lovely swans. This sculpture here has been put as a symbol. Probably it's gonna go away soon, but so far it is here. Look at all this madness. Oh my god. The Jaime the First Avenue, this is where all the mascletas, like firecracker shows, are being done, right next to the Corona del Mar Hotel. Plenty of bars nearby too for a typical international food and British food, a little bit of everything. And this is officially the busiest place of the Poniente Beach. This is the busiest you'll see it ever. It's not going to get busier than that. But that is because it's close to the old town. That's the closest place to the hotels. That's where it's snow, and people are in shock, literally filming all this, because this is the busiest you'll see it. It will never be busier than that, than what it is right now. Oh my God. Look at this. Not a single free spot available. That is bizarre. Now look up front. It is even worse there than it is here. Oh. Hello, August holidays. We are here. And it is also that busy because we are having a big bridge for holidays. Like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday is not a work day. It's August 15th, and many places are closed down. It's like a bank holiday. So many people are heading here for a long weekend. They take the first day off, Friday's holiday, and then Saturday and Sunday, those who don't work. Hey, there you go, mini holidays here in Benidorm town, which is why it is so busy. And it will be even busier these upcoming days. So stay safe. Make sure you hydrate yourselves, you grab some sun hats, be careful on the roads if you're renting any kind of mobility vehicle, and maybe we'll see you here very soon. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you here on the channel this evening with a brand new video. Goodbye. Oh, we're gonna grab us some ice cream because we are melting.